Hello, little ocean explorers! Ready to sail on a Daria-style yoga adventure? Today we'll stretch like palm trees, dive for treasures, and flow like waves. Roll out your mat, take a deep ocean breath, and let's voyage together. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Palm tree pose. Sway like a tropical palm on a sunny island. Reach tall. Feel the ocean breeze in your leaves. You're the strongest tree on the beach.
Three, two, one.
Now switch sides.
Three, two, one.
Pyramid pose. Build a sand pyramid like an ancient explorer. Stretch your legs like you're climbing a golden dune to find hidden treasure.
Three, two, one.
Now switch sides.
Three, two, one.
Extended leg squat. Deep sea diver squat. Dive low to discover glowing shells and secret pearls on the ocean floor. What do you see?
Three, two, one.
Now switch sides.
Three, two, one.
Gate pose. Open the gate to the coral kingdom. Reach side to side like gentle waves washing over the colorful reef. Splash!
Three, two, one.
Now switch sides.
Three, two, one.
Low lunge back bend. Warrior of the waves. Open your heart like Daria facing the endless ocean. Brave, strong, and ready for adventure.
Three, two, one.
Now switch sides.
Three, two, one.
Downward dog. Playful dolphin pose. Flip into a V shape like a happy ocean friend. Splash, splash.
Three, two, one.
Now switch sides.
3, 2, 1.
Thanks for joining us on our ocean adventures. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel of adventure.